Hello friends, today we are going to see the diseases of ginger and their management. In ginger, the rhizome rot or soft rot, it is the most common disease and widely occur on all over the ginger plantation in major ginger growing regions of Maharashtra as well as in India also. This soft rot or rhizome rot of ginger caused due to Fusarium oxysporum formospecialis gingiveri and Pythium aphanidermatum and Pythium myritilum. These are 2 to 3 fungal pathogens were responsible for development of this ginger soft rot. Here you can see the symptoms of this soft rot of ginger. Initial symptoms of this disease appear as light yellowing of the tips of lower leaves, which gradually spread down to the leaf blade and the leaf sheets along the margin. In early growing stages of this crop, the middle portion of the lamina remains green while the margins become yellow. The yellowing spread to all leaves of the plants from bottom upward and is followed by dropping and withering and drying of entire plants. The collar region of the pseudostem shows pale translucent brown color which becomes water soaked due to destruction of parenchymatous tissue. So this is the particular mass of identification for identifying soft rot of ginger. The infected shoots can easily pull out from the soil. The infection from the collar region spread to the rhizome gradually. This is one of the another marks of identification that infected plant by this soft rot got easily pulled out, and if we uproot the such infected plant, we can see their pseudostem. There is a disintegration of their parenchymatous tissue, and sometimes there is water soaked patches also develop, and whose formation is also seen in case of severe infection by this soft rot of ginger. Now for management of this soft rot of ginger, we should apply integrated control management practices like seed treatment with Captan or chlorothalonil 4 gram per kg of the seed. It is recommended. Then diseased seedling should be uprooted and destroyed. Similarly, there is the association of rhizome fly in severe infection of this rhizome rot. That means rhizome fly with these 3 fungal pathogen can collectively cause rhizome rot or soft rot of ginger. So that's why insect vectors should be also responsible for spreading of this disease. For management of this rhizome fly, we should apply drenching with insecticide like Nuvan, that is chlorpyrifos. It is recommended for drenching and controlling this rhizome fly. Similarly, if you want to avoid this soft rot of ginger at primary level, you have to frequently drench the fungicides like Captan, copper oxychloride, metalaxyl or tridimorph at a rate of 2 liters per acre, so that the spore population of harmful fungal pathogen will be minimized and the harmful mycelium will also got killed due to the fungicidal solution that we are going to drenching with irrigation water. So this is all about management of soft rot of ginger.